Less income, less work, the world is a total mess. Come on guys, we can find alternative ways of income. And coronavirus is about to pass, but we have to learn how to act in case of emergency. Let's go. What's good? My name is Oleg Nikitin. I'm a freelance videographer and a public speaking coach for 8 years, and you're watching No Limits On, the channel about the privilege of being a freelancer. Tips and pieces of advice about motivation, personal growth, some tech aspects, and many more. Welcome to the channel. In the previous video, right here, I told you about the injury I got and about some steps, mental steps that I took to overcome this issue. And today we're getting closer to earning money in this situation. So my pieces of advice, let's go. Number one, first of all, reorganize your orders. Give those orders to your friends so they can make it and give you a small amount of money from each order. Also, you can talk to a client if it's possible to produce the project later. And also, if possible, you can finish your post-production work and earn from it. Number two, you gotta have a good amount of post-paid work. You take half amount of money while shooting and then another half when the project is done. So this might help you to get through this situation and to get some more money. You kinda stretch out your income throughout time, even if your work is, for example, a wedding photographer or wedding videographer, when it's all concentrated somewhere around summer. Also, during that time, you can lend your gear to your friends. For example, throughout 2019, I lent my gear to my friends and I earned about $1,000. Yeah, it's not too much, but that gear is working and my friends are paying less than they pay in our local rental stores. For example, half the price. And this helps them, this helps me, and I guess rental stores are okay with that also. There was an interesting case when my friend took a drone and crashed it. So he bought a new one. Here are some pictures. So he bought a new one and now I'm having a new drone, but I cannot fly actually because in Russia it's now restricted all over the place. So we're moving on. Number four, take good amount of post-production work. For example, you can use some websites for freelancers to get some new clients and new work. Number five, do not forget that you can use your own voice to earn money. For example, you can make your own podcast or translate something into another language, or just be a voiceover actor. It's up to you. And one more thing for designers, photographers, motion designers, videographers, and all the creative people all over the world, it's stocks. For example, I do use stock platforms, a lot of them. Here is the list. And I use it together with my friends. I simply download the footage, the raw footage to them. They cut, they color grade it, they make sound better, and then they put on different platforms, and we split our earnings by halves. So 50% to them, 50% to me. A bonus tip for today is to plan your future. Set new goals, set steps towards those goals, and everything will be all right. Quote of the episode: "The proper function of man is to live, not to exist." Once said Jack London. Question of the episode: what are some extra ways to get money while you're injured? I hope this never happens to any of us. This was No Limits On, and see you guys later.